Smiling me for some time, but I didn't really expect him to do that. Like, okay, for the video to come out, I didn't expect it. I did not release it. I've been suffering. Do you know?
You've been trying to heal from that.
I've been trying to heal. Do you know depression is real? I didn't know until that thing happened to me. I was really depressed. I was in my house like for a week, without talking, just crying. I didn't know what to do. Oh my God. But I thank God that I'm here. I'm still alive. I'm still trying to heal from it.
Alright, taro kuranga kundi taro chindi chinkwasa kugambira, and of course akukwa in your face baranyeta Beazine ZJ serebo wambara kandi ndi aha Ankole Media TV arimo kuturebera spokesperson Western Bloggers Association okutwarira kimwe Western Uganda yona mwenu erizoba twine omwichi wamani murungi omweshongozi murungi ari talented. She is Gloria Bugie. Twakushemerera umurimba batoyina
nanye nabashemerera
abatine cyohuri You're lost, Gloria.
No, I understand everything.
Don't lie. Anyway, you're welcome to Western Uganda. Twakwakira mbara. Wali omuntu yena yakuwadde kweri niri olunyankole.
Nanye nashemererwa. My name is already Runyankole name Businji.
Businji. Akati nze
na Businji.
No Businji. Nadde nsa nkuweye erinnya eddala.
Okay.
Nkuwe ayine byona.
Ah, that's a nice one.
I you have everything. You know?
I accept that name.
Soko buze kubaturaba.
Abantu banje abembara ba Sky TV. Ankole Media mwena muri mutani nimbakunda Mononga. So happy to be here in Barara. It's my first time. Yeah, I've had so many people invite me in Barara. Gabanga babagala music wange bamuwulizanye bannaye Barara.
Abantu
bembara mbagala nnyo era I'm so happy to be here. Yes.
Like that. Twakwakira mbara kandi abasheshe. Alright, natwana tukore bitu ntwana tore akanyanyazi kitu omushiki witu akararo byono byine. Gloria Bugie ndongo gisanzo utya
ndongo
kubandi itomba mbara tukurebere this year kucenga tukahurira ngo this is Gloria Bugie.
I'm 1 year old now in the music industry.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm 1
Thank
year
God
old.
you're blessed.
I am blessed and I'm grateful to God. Si byangu naye mukama akwatisamu na byangu ya. Yeah.
Fe twari eno akayimba kasingo okwate nnyo banchawa.
Really?
Yeah.
Achaka gwe wasoka kumanyira kwako naye nga banyankole bawadde basupportinga kuva ku single yange ya 500 shillings bawadde bajagala nga bagiplayinga wa Cruise FM. Big up Star DJ. Yanoonya nagamba man, this song is nice.
This song is nice.
People like it here.
500 shillings.
500 shillings. Then nebagala Simi. Nebagala aliwa John Black. But then you know hit songs sebo before Nyash, just that Nyash sinzeko kwezi.
Yes, sinze. Naye basinga kwagala kali kantu bubanchawa bankore ebichamu byonna babinkozi.
Munaye nali simanyi nti abachawe banji nga nange mwendi. Abantu ngabo bachayi.
So it was a true story. Were you singing about yourself?
Yes, it was. If you're this old and above, you can't be you've never been through that situation.
You've already suffered with love.
I've already suffered with love. I confess.
Kati abanyankole tugenda bisotinga ebintu ebyo.
Ebintu ebyo.
Tugenda kudda mu kubonabona n'omukwana.
Alinja kubona n'omusheshe.
Tona ekitegeeza katori singo.
Ndaba kempeta. Do you see a ring on me?
Enzo kuba wajijjemu ng'ogiye
njagala musheshe.
Yeah. So abasheshe erizoba ni Gloria Bugie iwe wanomanya that
wiba wabanga onjagala ngoyagala Gloria Bugie erizoba. I'm performing at
The Cave.
The Cave.
When yes. DJ Mark.
DJ Mark, come and watch me.
Should we say like seriously kusinzira ku viewership yenyimba zo zonna that of Nyash because of Banchawa and whatever you've told us kekatambudde nnyo almost over 700k views on
almost
YouTube.
1 million views.
Yeah, almost
honestly
1 million
my
views.
song nga nakaluta went nasoka nakuta audio lwakubirawo almost 300k challenges lwakubanga sound bagijayo abantu si bangu. You know that si buli muntu akwagaliza to see your success, you see you get there. Bagijayo naye nga it was the most there was the biggest song on TikTok and it was really viral, already viral before anything else happened. The song alone was already viral. Nentekayo video went viral.
Kino kitegeeza abantu abangi emitima bagikutuladde.
People are heartbroken, people are suffering.
So we've seen that abantu barabiro muri bingi, people have been heartbroken, people have seen hardships in relationships. So Gloria Bugie naja natuyuwamu that emotional song.
Yeah, I'm so happy to know that I communicate with souls, with people. This music is not about business. It's not only about making money. No, chisanyusanyo wanyimba ku kintu ng'omuntu ddala they resonate with it. They've been through it. Like musicians are also like a voice of people, like the way you see politicians and what. Yeah, it really made me happy that people related with it. People appreciate it because of the message.
We are left with only like two things to talk about. Abiraguzu ababadugavu balina olugero lugamba nti eriiso ly'omunyankole n'okwereebera. So kati waliwo omuntu ali yayinza okugamba tetutudde ne Gloria Bugie tuweemu kabanchawa kati tunaakusuka wano.
Okay. Banchawa bankole bicamu bamenye omutima atalina nyash
konka nyashi we ginemanyi
tokagireeba
kyalona nimproposing obuwala ni janviere sweet netukimalira wano. Why am I feeling like I hear the sound of Zuchi in your songs?
People say I sing like Zuchi, like Simi, like what? They're trying to put you in a place. They're trying to get you, put you somewhere. Kajojokeyanga saaga yakajja bali bagamba ibanga ready paka bakivaako kati yeyo sound ye. So that is what they do with artists. Now they're trying to say aimbanga ono. After they will get you and they'll be like, okay, that's her voice, that is her.
None of the other artists are comparing nabo or inspiring the disco.
The late Mose Radio
inspired you?
Yeah, it's my biggest inspiration musically in Uganda.
Fe twari eno mu mbalala yaffe mwenga muri ye Kampala ne turaba video ku masimu. Gloria Bugie has finally united the entire world.
Nature chogel.
You united us.
I united you. So before you were scattered, you were not united.
Omanyo okusanga abantu nga bonna bali ku kizibu nti we are all at the same pace. Kizibu nnyo. Ne Gloria Bugie yabitukolera. Lwaki bakora ebintu ebyo?
It's actually a sad thing. I should be crying. I'm getting used now to the situation. Before I was crying and crying. I did not release that video, people. I've been working hand in hand with the law enforcement, so with our policing, our tracking that people. The person who did it is an ex. Anything can happen. Maybe alabanga, maybe kati. Mpuse star. The song is doing good. Nagamba, let me do this to you. You know. He was blackmailing me for some time, but I didn't really expect him to do that. Like, okay, for the video to come out, I didn't expect it. I did not release it. I've been suffering. Do you know
you've been trying to heal from that?
I've been trying to heal. Do you know depression is real? I didn't know until that thing happened to me. I was really depressed. I was in my house like for a week, not talking, just crying. I didn't know what to do. Oh my God. But I thank God that I'm here, I'm still alive. I'm still trying to heal from it. Change of Gamba Bantu Bangabembara, I did not release that video. I was not happy at all. No one can wish that thing to happen to themselves. Oh, never know Malaya betunda kubo.
Yeah. To be
Balaga very proud of what they're doing.
Yeah.
But why don't they come out and release their videos?
No, they can't.
Because that is a different story. Look at this woman who is a proud president of Malayas. What's her name?
We have ours in Chizung, Bad Braka. No,
you see how she proudly comes out and says, "Oh, I'm this, I'm that, I do this."
Yeah.
I mean, Singa, if it was okay, she would have yandiated the Naita Chikolangako. So I don't know why. What makes someone wake up in their right mind and think that I did that to myself? There's no way. I did not do that. Someone did it. We have been dealing with him legally. We're going to court very soon.
So you're taking him to court?
Yes. Yeah, we're going to court.
Ati Gloria Bugie Hosted.
I was there doing music, nga nebya music kale nga nebya nyimba mpya tebijja kale nga mpulira nga zenna obulamwe. Bulamu nature is such a very bad. It's very bad. I don't know how. You know, in Uganda, you see these feminists that we have. We need twetagayo ebitongole nga dealing with such a matter of blackmail for girls, a girl child like me, girl child women to live in a free blackmail world. Because everyone does by the recording such a video is not a crime.
It's not a crime.
It's not a crime at all.
What?
Recording it, having it in your phone. Oh no.
What